G'day folks, how you going? SpyCam here. Yes, welcome to my channel. I'm doing a bit of work on the workbench tonight. This is the Eachine Shadow Fiend. A really decent contender for the long range choice that you guys have today. Really nice VTX, under 250 grams. Really well priced. It's the cheapest of all your long ranges when you look at your Flywoos and all your other long range quads that you can get today. However, as you can see, I did mount a Goku GPS on the front because the standard GPS on the Shadow Fiend, I'm sorry, but maybe it was just mine, yeah, not so good. So I put the Goku on, and lo and behold, apart from it being a little bit too big, because it's not really meant for this application, it didn't actually work all that well either. So I've gone and done what I should have done from the get-go. Bought myself a Flywoo GM8. This is the Mark II GPS, super fast pickup, super small, super light, super reliable, and it even comes with some silicone, a couple of stickers, the cables that you need, and it comes with some copper tape, which is what you're going to require should you have a Vista unit on your Fiend or any other long range for that matter, as the GPS have been known to interfere with the VTX from your digital transmission. So this is meant to just, I'll probably put it on anyway just because it's here. Not too sure if it's going to affect anything with my analog system here. So I'm going to stick the Flywoo in the back here. Let's do some soldering. Let's take the big clunker off and put it on the shelf. Let's get the tools out. Let's turn the soldering iron on and let's get rid of that GPS. Pretty easy soldering, guys. There's a 5 volt and a ground, black and red, and you'll see on the actual back of the GPS it has a TXD and an RXD. So TX goes to the R1 and the RX goes to the T1. All soldered up. Time to put it back together. Just twist this around a bit just to protect it from any strains. I've just checked the satellites outside and we have working connection, so that's all really good. So let's put it back together. Quick easy fix, Flywoo M8 now attached, ready to go, all back together. I have put some copper tape around it, probably don't need it. Check out my last video of this Eachine Fiend for your GPS rescue setup, but we are all ready to go. Should be good, guys, looking forward to it. Let's go straight outside as soon as the sun comes up and let's check out this new GPS and test that GPS rescue, return to home and have a fly again of the Eachine Shadow Fiend. This thing is really nice. How you doing, guys? SpyCam here. Yes, I've come out and found another little location. Finally got the GPS going. Not too sure why it wasn't working my last go at it, but yeah, it's changed locations and she's working fine now. So I've just come out here to a little bit of a reservoir and just going to try out my new 850 4S on the roof here of my Eachine Shadow Fiend. nice little contender for the long range guys, a little bit cheaper than your Flywoo. VTX 600 milliwatts I believe, not quite as good, however still if you're getting into the sport, want to try a bit of long range gear, yeah, you can't go past this little unit guys. Links down below of course, smash that thumbs up, let's not waste any time, let's get up in the sky and have a fly around. Not too sure what happened then, it wouldn't allow me to arm, so perhaps let's just not go above the water for a second, just make sure our GPS is working correctly. Better face where I am, otherwise my patch won't work very well, I won't be able to see what's going on. Yeah, no, it seems to be okay. I'm just hovering around land here. Okay, let's head back to where I was. I don't think I'm facing the right direction. Let's get ourselves facing the right direction without going into the drink. Okay. I think things are okay guys, so we can go out here now. Woo! 80 meters from home. No, we're a bit more than that I think. It's saying I'm 20 meters from home guys. Yeah, that's not right, is it? I'm certainly more than... Okay, now it's reporting 120. It's just taking a little bit longer to do it. As you can see, VTX really good guys. TBS Crossfire we're running here. Let's just go for a little flip around here. As I said before at the intro, it is cheaper than your Flywoos and your diatones. However, you can still have a lot of fun with it. I think I'm over to the left. Yeah, so I'm running a patch, so you got to remember you need to keep looking. Let's just punch out a bit of a range here. I've done a few hundred meters on this, so out here I should be able to hopefully go over here without too much trouble. I think about 160. I think the GPS is reporting quite slow, so home is over there, so 160. I think I can probably quite easily get around 300-400 meters with this guys. Just got to remember where I am. Let's get a little bit more altitude. Well, 300 and she's starting to break up. I'm happy with that. Hey look, anything with these analog, not too expensive, for 600 milliwatts VTX guys, you don't want to push it too much. I have set the fail to safe to return to home, so worst case scenario I can give it a flip, but I don't really want to cross the river to try and find it in case it doesn't work. Starting to break up there. I was going to go try and go near that bridge, but I don't think it's going to let me. No, a little bit too much break up guys. Let's not put it in the drink today. Battery's going really well. I'm very impressed. I have got a Lion pack that I use on my Flywoo Explorer. I must admit I'm a little bit disappointed with it. I thought it would certainly be a lot better than what it is. However, maybe I'm doing something wrong. way am I facing exactly? Okay. Let's just spin around here. Just going to cruise over here to a tree. It's got a nice little camera set up in it. So I think I might video camera hiding up in the tree. Not too sure why they've got a camera there. However, there it is there. Solar panels. Little sneaky camera stuck in the tree there. It's probably looking at this going, what is that in front of the camera? Anyway, get the heck out of there. How's our flight time, guys? I'm getting a good 10-11 minutes for this. Links down below for my power supply, TBS bits and pieces, where you get this cool little Shadow Fiend from. Really nice to fly, as you can see. I'm getting a good 10 minutes flight time out of this, which you can't ask for more than that, guys. That's really good. Let's get away from the water now. See if we can do some manoeuvring around some trees, shall we? No, the signal, BGESANA doesn't really like trees too much. Okay, I think we're probably getting low on power now. Actually no, maybe we're not. Gee, this power supply, guys, what a cracker. I'm definitely going to invest in some new lipos, folks. Yeah, if you want to buy me a coffee, link down below, help me out, that'd be awesome. If you have seen my last couple of videos, you'll see the trouble that I'm sort of having with my lipos. They're not going real well at the moment, which is a bit disappointing. So if you've stuck this far with me, thanks very much, much appreciated. Good 10 minutes of flight time, folks. Yeah, wow. What a nice spot to fly. I'll be coming back here again, that's for sure. Looks a beauty. What do you think, guys? Drop me a comment. Should I come back here? It's about a 30-minute drive away. Okay, I'm going to bring it home. I don't want to destroy this new power supply. It's really good. There you have it, guys, the Shadow Fiend. What a beauty. Yeah, Mini Star 70C 854S worked really well. I could probably push a bit longer, but don't run these too low, otherwise you're going to destroy them. About 11-12 minute flight time out of that, including GPS hunting. So that's actually more than I got from my Lion pack. Anyway, if you're thinking about getting this, guys, to start off with, for some long range messing around, or you've seen it for yourself, yeah, worthwhile, flaming awesome. Drop me a comment, thumbs up, smash that bell. Thanks for stopping by, guys. That's the end of my GoPro battery as well. I'm having a heck of a battery time at the moment. See you next video. Take it easy. Bye for now.